x1 varies with y1 inversely, right, and x2 also varies inversely with y2, then you can say, well, x1 y1 equals to k and x2 y2 equals to k, right? This is given statement. We can say then that must be true, right? Since two k's are equal, you can say x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2, and if you divide both sides by y1 and also divide both sides by x2, that crosses out, you get x1 over y2 over y1, and we're done the proof.